Welcome to today's 10-minute meditation for anxiety. I will be guiding you through this calming session to help you find relief from anxious thoughts and feelings. Whether you're new to meditation or a seasoned practitioner, know that everyone is welcome here. Before we start, find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this a few times, allowing your body to relax and your mind to become present. Now, as you continue to breathe in and out, focus on the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body. Pay attention to how the air feels as it passes through your nostrils, down into your lungs, and then back out again. Let this awareness anchor you in the present moment. As you settle into this space, I invite you to bring to mind something that's causing anxiety in your life. It could be a situation, a person, or even a general feeling of unease. Visualize it, and then imagine it being placed inside a bubble, safely contained and separate from you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine the bubble slowly drifting away from you, getting smaller and smaller until it's barely visible. Remind yourself that for the next 10 minutes, you are taking a break from your worries and concerns, giving yourself permission to simply be in the present moment. Now let's bring our focus to the body. As you breathe in, imagine a calming, warm light entering your body, spreading to every part of your being. This light represents tranquility and peace. And as it fills your body, it eases tension and washes away any lingering anxiety. Starting at the top of your head, allow the light to slowly move downward, releasing tension in your forehead, your eyes, and your jaw. Feel the light continuing down through your neck and shoulders, melting away any tightness or discomfort. As the light moves into your chest and upper back, imagine it soothing your heart, calming any racing thoughts or feelings of unease. Allow it to continue down through your arms and hands. As the light moves into your chest and upper back, imagine it soothing your heart, calming any racing thoughts or feelings of unease. Allow it to continue down through your arms and hands, and then into your abdomen and lower back, releasing any knots or tension there. Let the warm light flow into your hips and pelvis, easing any stiffness or discomfort. It then continues down your legs, through your knees, and into your calves and feet, leaving your entire body feeling relaxed and at ease. Now take a few moments to simply bask in this peaceful state, focusing on your breath and the sensation of relaxation throughout your body. As we near the end of this meditation, begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes and take a few deep cleansing breaths. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and take in your surroundings. Know that you can return to this peaceful, anxiety-free state any time you need by practicing this meditation or simply focusing on your breath. Thank you for joining me in today's 10-minute meditation for anxiety. Remember, you have the power to manage your anxiety and find inner peace. Have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you again soon.